Welcome. Today we are walking the White Sands Walk, a peaceful coastal track that leads to Hyams Beach in Jervis Bay, South Coast, Australia. This is a short and gentle walk, but one filled with beautiful views, fresh air, and a sense of calm. As we begin, take a slow, deep breath in and gently breathe out. Let the pace slow down. There is nowhere else you need to be right now. The path beneath our feet is soft and quiet. We are surrounded by coastal bushland with tall trees and native plants on both sides. The air feels clean and light. Listen closely to the birds calling from the trees and the soft sound of leaves moving in the breeze. Each step feels steady and relaxed. Just walk, breathe, and be present. As we continue along the track, small glimpses of white sand and blue water appear through the trees. The colors are gentle and calming: green bushland, pale sand, and the deep blue of the ocean beyond. The sunlight filters through the branches, creating soft patterns on the path. This is a perfect moment to slow your breathing and relax your shoulders. Walking in nature has a way of clearing the mind. Thoughts begin to soften. The body feels lighter. With every step, tension slowly fades away. If you are watching from somewhere else, imagine yourself here. Feel the breeze on your skin and the warmth of the sun above. The track continues quietly, simple and peaceful. There is no rush, no pressure, just the rhythm of walking and the sounds of nature around us. This is nature therapy at its simplest. A gentle reminder that calm does not need to be complicated.
Sanctuary zone. Look out. Sand beach.
As we move forward, the sound of the ocean becomes clearer. You can hear the waves rolling softly in the distance. The air carries a light, salty smell. The sand beneath our feet grows whiter and finer. We are getting closer now. The path slowly opens up and Hyams Beach comes into view, wide, bright, and peaceful. The white sand stretches along the shoreline and the water looks clear and inviting. This is one of those places that instantly makes you slow down and smile. Take a moment here, look around, notice the open space, the gentle waves, and the calm atmosphere. This is the reward at the end of the walk, a quiet place to rest, breathe, and enjoy the moment. Now we step onto the sand. The beach feels soft underfoot. The ocean moves slowly, washing onto the shore in a steady rhythm. This is a perfect place for a gentle swim. Cool water, calm waves, and nothing else to think about. A well-spent day, a short walk with beautiful views, fresh air, natural sounds, and time in the water. Simple moments that stay with us. As we finish here at Hyams Beach, take one final deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Let the sound of the ocean settle your thoughts. Thank you for walking with me today. Carry this calm with you wherever you go.